Hey guys, this is Brad Barnes of Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. Today we're going to take a little closer look at our adjustable inner frame link mount. Okay guys, let's take a little closer look. All of our adjustable inner frame link mount brackets come in three different variations of mounting angle. A 0 degree, which is going to run parallel to the frame, a 10 degree, and a 20 degree. They all have three different mounting holes, so you can adjust your link suspension to get just the numbers you're looking for on your link calculator. So this bracket's going to come unwelded in two different pieces. The inner piece here, you're going to weld in at whatever mounting width your joint has. This one's been welded to a 2 5/8, but it's no problem to make it a little bit narrower. You'll weld the top edge here along the top of the frame, and of course the bottom edge will go to the bottom of the frame. So if you're looking at these brackets for your link suspension, a lot of guys will use the 20 degree for the uppers on a 4-link kit, and they'll either use a 0 or a 10 degree if they're doing a 3-link kit on the front. Hey guys, thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you out on the trail soon.